Hello mga kalalabs! Sasaling ko? Yes mga kalalabs, welcome! Hello mga kalalabs, good afternoon. So welcome to my first ever vlog. So for today's video, I'm gonna try to make non-baked blueberry cheesecake. Yes, you heard it right, non-baked blueberry cheesecake. So I did my research, pwede po natin siyang gawin without any oven, or kung hindi ka talaga marunong mag-bake, so you can just try this at home. So for now, we just need to have at least, I guess, 4 ingredients to make this non-baked blueberry cheesecake. So first, I have my crushed, what do you call this, cookies. Parang cookies siya. Binlender namin siya, and then we will just mix it with butter. And then I have this thick cream, so you can use this or any whipping cream you want. And then, of course, yung pinakapampalasa ng blueberry cheesecake itself, yung cream cheese. So I will gonna use this process one para hindi na siya mahirap mag-mix. And of course, the toppings, which is the blueberry. So, yun. And by the way, the butter. So we need the butter also, just for us to thicken the crushed cookies para maging base siya ng blueberry cheesecake. So let's get started, guys. Just keep watching. So, pinur ko lang po yung butter dito sa may crushed cookies natin. So, ito na po yung itsura niya. So, you need it to mix very well para maging firm yung cookies. So, kapag okay na kayo sa consistency ng cookies, pwede nyo na siyang gawing base doon sa baking pan. So, I guess, yeah. Just try to stir it more. By the way, kung sweet tooth pala kayo, pwede nyo siyang lagyan or mag-add ng sugar. Pero since dito sa bahay, hindi kami masyadong mahilig sa sweets, and we're just trying to, you know, having some kind of diet, so I will not put anything. Just the butter and the cookies itself will do. So, ayun, halo lang po tayo ng halo. Ayun po. Opo, ano po, mga kalalabs? So, yeah. Yeah, so guys, I put it inside the fridge and let's be seated for next 4 hours. So let's just see kung palpak ba siya o hindi. So we'll get back to you soon. Bye! See you later.